our loved ones always. It's a dream come true. It's a start of a life we've waited for so long. Today, as we start this blessed chapter of our life, I promise to love you even when I hate you. I promise to be with you in the good days as well as the bad ones. God knows we've had the worst ones. I promise to respect you, to stand with you even when the whole world is against you. Because I know our love can fight everything and anything. I promise to be your best friend. I promise to be the mother of your kids. I promise to respect you. And I promise to be with you always. I promise to make you happy even if it means watching football with you. Action movies. But most importantly, I promise to respect your sleep. I love you so much that I